It's a resort-based spa. As you can,
Faham,
as you can
faham.
see, I'm sure when you enter my Dara Center,
Uh-uh.
you can feel like it's a bit different as compared to go to clinic and
Yes,
spa.
yes.
It's
The
different.
vibe, the vibe.
It's
Mm-mm.
like macam rumah. It's like a
Uh-uh.
home. That's the vibe that I macam want to create.
I see.
Ah.
Okay.
Datang minum dulu. What
Mm-mm.
type of tea or coffee would you want? You feel
Mm-mm.
like personalized. You feel like love. Are you okay? Instead of like, what's your penyakit hari ni?
Dia macam, okay, apa appointment
Let's
you
see
ni
what's
nak apa?
penyakit hari ni.
Faham?
Are you okay? Sort
Alright.
of like that. Yeah.
So that is the ultimate goal for Darla, is it? You want to have like a resort-based spa clinic
Spa.
macam
Yes,
tu.
yes,
Okay.
yes.
And that is coming soon also at the apa nama tu?
That's coming soon. Station is at the campus Ampang.
Okay.
At Jalan Air Lama.
Uh-huh.
It's just nearby the behind the Arcade Highway,
Uh-huh.
opposite the KPJ Ampang Puteri.